On our previous video, we talked about how you can clone a Wallet Connect website and also integrate your email so that you'll be receiving your emails directly to your email inbox. So I also mentioned that I'm going to be teaching you how you can connect your Telegram bot, and you'll be receiving the email on your email and also directly into your Telegram bot. So this also work for any Wallet Connect. Once you have the setup and everything, you are good to go. It works. It's not only on this particular scripts or this particular website, it works on all other websites. So I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate your Telegram bot for you to be receiving informations or results indirectly into your Telegram bot. But if I get started, if you're new to my channel, please can you do what to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So now for us to be able to achieve this, we need to go to our Telegram bot website. So we just need to come to our Telegram account. So we need to come to our Telegram account. This is our Telegram account here. So now we need to search for bot Founder. So make sure that you search for bot Founder. So this is it. I'm already on the interface. So bot Founder. Then we need to create a new bot. If you want to create a new bot, yeah, so we need to create a new bot and get our child ID and our bot token. So now we enter slash, then we click on new bot. Then we are going to be asked to input our bot name. So now let's just go with wallet. So I'm just going to be saying wallet, just wallet CC. So as the bot name, then we are going to be giving it a bot username. So now we are going to be using wallet. So wallet CC. So make sure that it ends with bot, then underscore bot. So let's check if this is available. All right, you can see congratulations that our bot is now active. So now we are going to be getting our bot token here. Now this is our bot token. So now once we get our bot token, so the next step we need to do, we need to go to our search bar and search for user info, so that you can get our user section and all that. So now we just need to type in on this let me just say, click on, we need to type in our search ID, that and chat ID. So we need to get our chat ID. So now we just type chat underscore ID, then we send. Sorry, no, yeah, okay. So now once you type it, you are going to be getting your chat ID. So this is your chat ID, right? So now once we have these two info, then we are good to go. So now remember that we used DeepSeek, so we are going to be using DeepSeek again for it to generate us the code that we are going to be using. So now we come to DeepSeek and we just tell DeepSeek that we want to be receiving our information on our Telegram bot, but I already have a prompt already on DeepSeek, so I'm not going to be going all and all because this is the continuation of the previous video. So I'm just going to be telling DeepSeek that I just want to be receiving my message also on Telegram. So let's wait for the for it to generate us the code that we are going to be using for to achieve this. So now you can see that it's not generating us the code, so you just need to wait, and everything is going to be generated and we are going to be inputting everything. DeepSeek have given us the code. What we just need to do, we just need to copy it. So we need to copy it, just copy it, then we go back to our file. So this is our file, then we go to our connect, because this is where we are going to be replacing all the code there. So we go to our connect.php. so this is the connect.php. then we need to remove all this and paste the new code that we just DeepSeek just give us. So now you can see the email, replace it to your email also. So we just need to replace this to my email. This is my email, so replace it to my email. Then we are going to be seeing your chat, your Telegram bot ID. So this is the bot ID that we created. So this is it here now. This is it. So we copy it, then we come to this section and we replace it. All right, so we replace it. Then we come to the chat ID also. So come to your chat ID. So this is chat ID. We copy it also. Then we paste it. So we paste it. All right, so just be careful. Once we paste it, then we are good to go. We just save it, then you are done. Everything is done. So now once we save it, we just need to come back to our page here. So this is it. Come back to our page and we click on connect. Then we select our wallet. Let me just scroll down. Let me just select different wallet name. Let me just use Binance. Then we connect it. So let's wait for it. Okay, now we just input our info. I'm just going to be inputting. Let me just use wallet connect. Wallet connect. All right, so as it's then we click on process. So once we click on process, then let's check our Telegram app and everything. So we are going to be seeing our info. So now if I check it, we are going to see that our new submission is complete and all that. Then also receiving it on the email also. So this is the email. Let me just go back. We are going to see new submission on the time. Okay, look at it here. You're going to be seeing it, and Telegram delivery successful. So this is how you can be able to integrate your Telegram and be receiving information into your Telegram bot. So if you find this video useful, please do well, smash the subscribe button, like, and share. So follow me for more tips, or subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. So thanks for watching.